design principles. Full day go sa BACM 4. So contents, for one is introduction to mine design, second is geological factors, third is mine planning, fourth is environmental consideration, and fifth is safety and regulatory compliance. So first is introduction to the mine design. One is safety consideration. So understanding safety consideration in mine design ensures worker protection, minimize risk of accidents, and complies with regulatory standards. Second is operational efficiency. Efficient mine designs maximize resource extraction, reduce operational cost, and improve overall productivity and sustainability of mining operations. Evolution of mine design techniques. So the evolution of mine design techniques reflects advancement in technology, engineering practices, and increase of understanding of geological conditions. Key milestone in mine design include the development of open pit mining, mechanized underground mining, and the integration of automation and digital technologies. Second is geological factors. So exploration techniques, geological surveys. Geological surveys involve mapping and analyzing surface formations to understand structural histories and locate potential mineral resources. Drilling and sampling are methods used to extract core samples from below the Earth's surface to evaluate the quantity and quality of the minerals present. Mineral deposit characterization, reserve estimation involves calculating the economically recoverable quantities of mineral deposits based on geological data and sampling results. Resource modeling, a detailed 3D model of mineral deposits by integrating geological and geophysical and geochemical data. Third is mine planning. So mine planning includes financial analysis and technical evaluations. The financial analysis in mining assess a project's profitability, costs, and risk. It includes capital and operating expenses, revenue estimates based on production and prices, and tools like NPV and IRR to evaluate cash flow. It also considers risk, taxes, and sustainability to ensure long-term viability. Next is technical evaluation. It involves analyzing geological data to inform resources quantity and quality, determining the best mining method, and evaluating processing techniques for ore extractions. The evaluation also considers mine design, equipment needs, infrastructure requirements, and compliance with the environmental and safety standards. It ensures the project is technically viable and efficient before proceeding. Mine layout design, technological tools in mine design. Technology plays a vital role in modern mine design, improving safety, efficiency, and cost effectiveness. Advanced tools like computer-aided design, data management system, and geographical information system or GIS are integral for planning. GIS stores, analyze, and visualize geographical data, while 3D modeling tools help visualize ore bodies, mine infrastructures, and safety designs, making mine planning more digitized and precise. So infrastructure requirements in mining include transportation system like road, railways, reliable power supplies, water management systems for processing and waste communication networks, work, worker facilities, and waste management solutions like tailing dams. These components ensures the smooth and sustainable operation of mining projects. Four is environmental consideration. So environmental impact analysis, assessment, baseline studies involve collecting data in environmental conditions before project initiation to understand potential impacts and define measures of mitigation. Impact mitigation strategies. Impact mitigation strategies are developed based on the baseline studies to reduce negative environmental effects through proactive planning and appropriate interventions. Sustainability practices. So waste management. Effective waste management practices includes reducing waste generation, recycling materials, and safety disposing of hazardous waste to minimize environmental harm. And water usage and treatment. So optimizing water usage and implementing advanced treatment processes ensures sustainable consumption and reduces contamination of natural water resources. And energy efficiency. So improving energy efficiency involves using energy saving technologies and practices to reduce consumption, lowering environmental impact and operational cost. Five is safety and regulatory compliance. So safety protocols, hazard identification, a detailed description about the hazard identification approaches to detect and mitigate potential risks in the workplace, ensuring a secure environment for employees and equipment. Emergency response planning, detailed description about the development of procedures for emergency situation to ensure swift and effective response, minimizing harm and disruption. Next is worker training programs, detailed description of the training initiative aimed to educating worker on safety practices, emergency procedures, and regulatory requirements for maintaining workplace safety. Regulatory framework, local and international regulations, detailed description of the various local and international safety standards and regulations that organization must adhere, ensuring legal compliance and operational integrity. Compliance monitoring and reporting. A detailed description of the process involved in monitoring adherence to the safety regulations and reporting compliance status to relevant authorities or internal stakeholders. That's all. Thank you.